How to identify a song from a YouTube video. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Chrome. In the source bar, search for extension Ease. Head over to the very first site, Microsoft Ease. It will land you on this interface. In the source bar, you simply need to search for Shazam. Head over to this extension. Find song names from Ease browser. Tap on Get. Once again tap on Get over here, and then click on Add Extensions. Once that's been done, tap on this icon at the very top. Click on this eye icon beside these extensions. Once that's been done, you can go back and head over to your site youtube.com. Once you are in here, head over to the song that you want the YouTube to identify. So let's say I want YouTube to identify this song. You need to play this song for now. And then click on this icon over here. The extension will automatically start. Now whenever the song plays, this extension will recognize the song and also identify the song. It will show you the name of the song that is playing on YouTube. So that's it, and this is simply how you can identify a song on YouTube. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.